Hello! We are from the House of Solutions channel, and today the video is geared towards gardening, but it's not just any garden that we will recommend. This one was handpicked, bringing in innovation. We search for a course that really teaches gardening from basic to advanced, but his proposal is that you have a medicinal garden. It really teaches you how to get your garden right and how to start and how to maintain it. We here at the channel have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know. Before you buy the medicinal garden kit, I also have some really important warnings, which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing the medicinal garden kit. The first thing you need to know about the medicinal garden kit is, you will receive a seed kit. You will also receive a free medicinal guide that shows you how to transform these plants into tinctures, ointments, poultices, decoctions, infusions, essential oils, all in the smallest details so that you can follow the guide even if you have never made a herbal medicine in your life. Second, and not less important, is, be careful about the site you are going to buy it from, because it is only sold on the official site. To help you, I left the link to the official site below in the description of this video. So what is the medicinal garden kit, and does it really work? Yes, very good is to invest the time in natural things that will bring you several benefits for health. Can be quiet. The course is really good. And yes, it will help you from start to finish. It has a very good teaching method. Another very important point is the amount of natural remedies that you will have available in your garden. My advice is that now you are having the opportunity to start and change your life and start a new course and have your own very special garden. So yes, you can trust this medicinal kit. There are many people that have great results with the medicinal garden kit course. And you can have results too. Just dedicate yourself to the course and take care of your new garden. Another positive point is that you have alternative remedies that are not industrialized. And with the garden it will be 100% natural. The 10 medicinal plants you will have in your backyard: chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow, chamomile, evening primrose, lavender, echinacea, calendula, feverfew. There are many of them, and each one of them has a medicinal function. And to make your life easier, the link is already in the video description and in the comments. So be safe to use and put into practice the medicinal garden kit, but be sure you are buying from the official site to ensure the benefits. Take this chance to change your life, and take a step to a more natural life, and will be a great experience, plus your full 365-day money-back guarantee. The guarantee is excellent and shows how much they believe in this course, that it really works. So get ready to turn your backyard into a natural pharmacy. So I decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the medicinal garden kit from. Finally, don't miss this chance. Turn your backyard into a medicinal garden as soon as possible. Click on the link in the description and go transform your new garden. I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that the medicinal garden kit really helps a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this course promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel here. Thank you for watching this video. See you.